Hi. So I was showing you my kitchen, and I don't want to make the videos too long. So that's where I left that part. That's the kitchen and the mess that we still got to clean. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, this is my washer and dryer is in my kitchen. That's unusual for an American home, but it is. Grandkids will play with my shoes. That's all my laundry. Let's see. Where's my back door? Can't see my back door. It's behind the laundry. Kids had all this ramen noodle and whatnot. They ate all the specialty ones. That's their mess on the table. Cat tree, security camera. That's my basement door. The Legos, the xylophone, and the rest of my kitchen. That's the door to my dining room. There's a bunch of videos in there. That's my fridge. Oh yeah, and that is a teeny tiny bathroom. We're not gonna open that because that's a mess too. But that's a teeny tiny bathroom in my kitchen, right next to my kitchen counter and my sink. That's what all that looks like. Oh, and this table that's here, to give you an idea of the size of my kitchen, this table is 7 feet long. That's why there's so many clothes at the other ends, because I don't need the whole thing. It's 7 feet long. I'm one person, you know? But I got stuff for when the grandkids come, so that's important. So anyway, I'll put you back there. Alright. So I gotta load my little baby dishwasher. But I do get the food off the plates first. I don't have to. There's a screen in there, blah, blah, blah. It makes me feel better to get the food off the plate first. But I still get the real deep down clean of like, it has like extremely hot water. So I still feel like, even though I'm doing this, the dishwasher is really doing the rest of it. You know what I mean? So yeah, the grandkids came. They helped take the stuff off the Christmas tree. We still hadn't done that yet. I tried to get them to help me get the stuff off the side of the house. We still have Christmas lights on the side of the house because I need help with the ladder. But the thing is, my 12-year-old's ladder reinforcements just got braces put on. So she hasn't really been in the mood to, do very much. It's apparently painful, I don't know. But it's apparently painful. So, I lost those reinforcements. I'll show you the baby dishwasher after I load it. It's very cute. So the reason I don't have a regular size, by the way, like I feel like I need to, mention this. I don't own this house. I only rent it. I don't know. I do own a house. Well, half of a house, but I left my husband 9 years ago now. Yeah, 9 years ago now. So I've been renting since, and I let him live there. He said he wants to retire there. I couldn't make him sell it. Some of you will call me an idiot, some of you will understand, but I spent 21 years with the guy, and I know he wanted to retire in that house. I could not make him sell it. I couldn't do it. So I own half the house that I can't do anything about, and I'm broke, and it sucks. But it is what it is. Alright, my little baby dishwasher. Gotta get everything in there a certain way, otherwise it doesn't get clean. It is a little baby dishwasher after all. So for those of you not in the United States, which apparently there's a bunch of you, but for those of you not in the United States, the water pressure of my sink is actually so hard that I can't turn it on all the way. It splashes everywhere in the kitchen. So I can only turn it on like a certain amount, and then otherwise I get splashed everywhere. I know that's not something everybody has everywhere. Alright, that's those. Yeah, I had to dig out a straw. I only have one from some cup that they have or something because my granddaughter can't drink out of cups comfortably right now. I didn't know how to figure that one out. Alright, almost there. Just need a couple of small things. Looks like one more cup. Maybe this one. Now I'll show you how cute. See, if it's that much. Not too bad. Get some stuff done. The sink's a lot emptier. It's mostly all silverware. Anyway. Okay. So, there's some stuff in here. That as the dishwasher works, it sort of cleans the other stuff while we're at it. They're a little messy. It's not too bad fish bad. Alright. Cascade. Alright, that's it for now.